¿Qué tal, chicos? Hoy es sábado y tenemos la unidad número 5. Finalmente, la unidad número 5 termina esta semana. Terminamos con el curso de español. So, June 22nd, junio 20, because we will not have it this Friday, we will have it next week. So, here is your outline week outline view. And I'm going to go to Plaza's ebook to look at your ebook, and capítulo 9 de viaje por el Caribe. Capítulo 9 de viaje por el Caribe. El Caribe es Cuba, República Dominicana y Puerto Rico. Ellos hablan español en Cuba, República Dominicana y Puerto Rico. So very few, actually I wanted to go to the table of contents. A few lessons that are difficult in this unit will be indirect object pronouns, the given directions or prepositions of location, adverbs, and relevant expressions, and also the double object pronouns. These are lessons that are difficult in this unit, and this unit is packed. So we got to make sure we understand. Now, I'm not going to tell you how to study vocabulario because you should know right now how to study vocabulario using papel, lápiz, pluma, bolígrafo, escribir las palabras en el papel con lápiz, con bolígrafo, y aprendes las palabras en español. Si escribes las palabras, las aprendes. Entonces, looking at the indirect object pronouns, you actually learned this back in Spanish 1 when you say me gusta, te gusta, le gusta. Using the indirect object pronouns are me, te, le. Those are the indirect object pronouns. If you can look at them here, me, te, le, nos, os, les, and use them to say me gusta. But you also use them when you learn in capítulo 7. You said le compró or me compró. Manny le compró un boleto a su esposa. Okay, indirect object pronouns. So these pronouns are easy to learn them, though, if you understand what they are and how to use them, how to replace, or where to place them in the sentence. So those instructions are here in the textbook. You need to make sure you make note on that so you understand them. But I would say that in Blackboard, looking at Blackboard right now in the Spanish course content, I always give you 3 folders in each unit. Go to unit 5 because that's our unit right now. And find one of the 3 folders here. One is quizzes, the other one's materiales, and the other one is your assignments. Don't go to the assignments yet. That's where you complete your homework. But if you want to learn the lessons, you always can go to your materiales and recursos. Those are the resources that I provide you for your learning, for your success. These are lessons that I recorded, and here you can find double object pronouns lessons that I recorded, again, explaining what they are and how to use them. And I also provide notes and a PowerPoint in formal and formal commands versus negative to commands. Formal, as you know, is in Spanish, we address people either informal or formal. Formal will be usted, informal will be tú. So here are directions, instructions, PowerPoint, and then you can also look at directions and prepositions. That's another PowerPoint that you can very well watch and learn these lessons. I'm not going to open them because you can just, like I said, you can just watch them and for anything you did not understand. Where's the page that I need here? It is in the table of contents. So again, just go through all of these lessons. And I do want to point out, there's vocabulario 2 for hotel. Vocabulario 1 is viajar en avión, avión, aerolínea, puerta de embarque. All of those words that you're going to learn. Boleto de ida, boleto de vuelta. Asiento de ventanilla, asiento de pasillo. But then in the hotel, you're going to learn the words for el cuarto. Cuarto, it's the room. El cuarto. You're going to learn more words. You're going to learn how to actually reserve a room. Reservaciones de un cuarto and el hotel. And a lot more words, right? You always have your vocabulario esencial at the end of the tape of the unit or chapter. And then don't forget that you have a lot of, actually, you have a lot of other lessons to practice your learning, but I don't assign everything. You have the review section here. That's the review for the final test. If you wanted to look at the review, here's the review for all the lessons in this unit. And you have activities here. They don't provide answers, but if you want to complete these assignments, these review activities, you can also find them in your outline view, week view. Like I said, this is the outline week view. This is not where I assign the homework. This is just the outline week view. And you can find those assignments for review. You can find them under Unit 5. And you could find them right here. You can complete the assignments. They're all practice assignments. They're not graded assignments, okay? But again, other activities, this is practice activity that are here. They're not for a grade. They're just practice activities, okay? Practice activities, not for a grade. Your graded assignments are actually in the rolling week view, which is your calendar week view. That's where I assign the homework, and that's where you should be completing your homework, from the rolling week view. You see, Saturday, that was some assignments that I left open on Saturday for someone that I did not, but anybody could have completed them. And then your quizzes. I was thinking about opening these quizzes just for whoever did not finish them, can just finish them tonight, Sunday. But I don't know if someone would really need them tonight or not. 11. Okay. But, and then you have Sunday. Oh, yeah, that's the one I just opened. But then next week, Monday, lunes 14, here are all the assignments, again, dated for next week. And again, I remind you, you will not have a quiz this Friday because you will have a final test Monday, opening Monday and Tuesday. All assignments should be completed this week. And then Monday and Tuesday, you'll have your final test. And your writing assignment, composición. Composición, it will be, the composition is only topics that we've seen, like this unit is airport and airline. So last week's unit was celebración y vacaciones, depending on what each unit title is, you see? Each unit has a title, salud, comer, each one of these are topics. So any of these topics will be one of your compositions. I will assign you the topics, 2 topics, and you choose from one of those 2 topics that I give you. Okay? Nos vemos, chicos. Adiós.